Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to debug Selenium code in IntelliJ. First, ensure your project dependencies are correctly set up, especially for Selenium and your chosen browser driver. Next, open the test class you wish to debug and identify the specific lines where you suspect issues might occur. We will then proceed to place breakpoints at these strategic locations to pause execution. To set a breakpoint, simply click in the left margin, also known as the gutter, next to the line number where you want execution to pause. A red circle will appear, indicating an active breakpoint. Now, to run your tests in debug mode, right-click on your test method or class in the Project Explorer or directly in the editor, then choose Debug. Your test will start, and execution will halt at the first breakpoint it encounters. Once execution pauses at a breakpoint, the Variables window in the Debug panel becomes invaluable. Here, you can inspect the current state of all local and global variables, helping you understand data flow. Use the Step Over button to execute the current line of code and advance to the next without entering method calls. If you need to examine the internal workings of a method, select Step Into to dive deeper into its implementation. For more complex scenarios, consider using conditional breakpoints. Right-click a breakpoint and add a condition, so it only pauses when that condition evaluates to true. This saves time by skipping irrelevant pauses. You can also evaluate expressions directly in the debug console to test assumptions or quickly check values without modifying your code. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic socks and other great deals. Happy debugging!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.